Hey there, Globetrotters! Welcome back to our channel, where we share advice, ideas, and inspiration for your next journey. You're in the perfect place if you've ever wanted to see the world without going over budget. We're offering incredible travel tips today that can help you save money and create memories on your trips. Now take out your notes and let's explore these revolutionary suggestions. Number 1. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Remaining adaptable is one of the finest strategies to save travel expenses. To locate the most affordable travel dates, use resources like Skyscanner, Kayak, or Google Flights. Search for bargains first and let them choose your next adventure rather than organizing around certain locations. Who knows? You may find a hidden treasure you were unaware of. Number 2. Use incognito mode for booking flights. Have you ever noticed that after looking for flights several times, the prices tend to increase? This is due to the fact that websites monitor your activities. To make sure you're seeing the best deals, avoid this by using incognito mode or deleting your cookies. Number 3. Travel during off-peak seasons. You may experience destinations without the crowds and save money by traveling during off-peak seasons. For instance, spring or fall travel to Europe is more affordable and authentic. Additionally, discounts are frequently offered on lodging and entertainment. Number 4. Pack smart and avoid checked baggage fees. Travel light to reduce baggage expenses. Invest in a high-quality carry-on bag and master effective packing techniques. Wear your bulkiest goods on the airline, roll your clothes, and use packing cubes. Bonus advice: 4-day visits at your location, take a backpack that can be folded up. Number 5. Take advantage of free walking tours. Free walking tours given by informed locals are available in many towns. These tours are an excellent, cost-free method to discover a place's history and culture. If you have a good time, don't forget to tip your guide. Number 6. Book accommodations wisely. Budget hotels, hostels, and guest houses are excellent places to stay if you want to cut costs. If you plan to stay longer, take advantage of deals offered by websites like Airbnb. Another choice for daring tourists seeking free accommodation and cross-cultural interaction is couchsurfing. Number 7. Cook your own meals. Eating out may add up quickly. Choose lodging that has a kitchen so you may cook for yourself. Try your hand at making regional cuisine and visit local markets for reasonably priced, fresh ingredients. It's an enjoyable cultural experience in addition to being reasonably priced. Number 8. Use public transportation. Be wise with public transit instead of pricey ride-sharing and taxis. The majority of large cities have easily navigable bus, train, or metro networks. Some even provide inexpensive tourist permits that allow unlimited rides. Biking and walking are also excellent methods to save money and explore. Number 9. Travel overnight. Traveling overnight will allow you to accomplish 2 goals at once. Sleeper trains and buses transport you to your next location without charging you for a night's lodging. For extra comfort, simply pack an eye mask and a neck pillow. Number 10. Travel with friends or join group tours. Joining group excursions or traveling with friends might result in big cost savings. You can split the cost of your meals, lodging, and transportation. Additionally, you will have a companion with whom to share your activities, which will enhance the experience. Here are our best travel tips for low-budget tourists. You can travel the world without breaking the bank if you follow these suggestions. On your next trip, which of these tips are you most eager to try? Tell us in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe for more low-cost travel advice. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with other travelers. Until next time, happy travels and safe adventures.